Venn diagram generators experiment includes the working. Okay, now when a motor, see this diagram, when this motor starts, belt is moved continuously. Now the supports pulleys P1 and P2. Now the second points, when a metal comb C1 is a positive potentials order of 10 raised to 4 volt with a high voltage rectifier supply, it sprays the positive charge continuously. Okay, positive charge continuously. Now the third point, the belt carries the positive charge in upward direction. Positive charge in upward direction. In a upward direction. Now the fourth point, the metal comb C2 is a collector comb, and this comb collects the charges and transfers the outer charge of dome. The comb C2 collect charges and transfer the outer comb, outer dome. Now the fifth point, in this way the charge are quickly transferred to the outer surface of the dome, and the charges always remains the outer surface of the conductor. Okay, in this way the outer surface of the dome build up continuously. Outer surface of dome build up continuously. Therefore the potential of dome goes on increasing charges. In this way, increasing charges. Okay, the positive ions, this is the positive ions is protons, neutrons will be accelerated and introduced to the upper part of discharge tube. This is upper part of discharge tube. Hence the ions are accelerated, these positive ions are accelerated in the downward direction of the dome. So ions are accelerated in a downward direction of dome, and these ions are repelled by the electrodes. What? Repels by the electrodes with a downward of high positive potential. This is the working of Venn diagram generators, and this working is asked the exam in a 3 marks.